Our letter this week is letter O, and O makes a sound ah, 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 like ostrich. And it can also say O, but the sound that we really focus on is ah, ah, ah. When they are forming capital O, our little poem is capital O is an orange to eat, nice and round. It's a healthy treat. Same with lowercase o. It's an orange to eat, nice and round. It's a healthy treat. So remember, they can choose an option for capital O and an option for lowercase o, or if they have a different activity in mind, that's okay too. Just make sure you send a picture of them doing their chosen activity to me through Dojo. Okay, so our options are, their first option is they can find items that resemble letter O. So it's okay if they don't start with letter O, their name, but just that they resemble O. Like, for example, an orange, a Lego tire, a hair tie, anything that looks like an O. They can form capital O or lowercase o using Cheerios or Fruit Loops, since they look like an O themselves. They can form capital O or lowercase o with stickers. We haven't done this option in a while. You can make an O on the paper for them and they can cover it up. Or at this point of the year, they should know how that O looks. And so they could just give them a piece of paper and have them form it all on their own. And then our last option is always our handwriting page.